Hi guys, and welcome to multiplication timetable developed using Python with command lines. So let me show you guys how this works. As you can see, that's 5 times table and we have 3 times table here. Here I intend to just enter whatever in there. There we go. The system is now telling me invalid input. So let's enter a valid data in there. Let's say 9. There we go. So supposing I want to exit, all I just need to do is just type in exit or continue. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to exit out and let's start a new program entirely using a while loop. Why is true, then let's say try the following. So I'm going to say user underscore input, and that's going to be equals input, and this input, I'm just going to enter a number. Okay, I'm also going to enter a bracket in there, and in here, if you enter exit, this was going to happen to exit. There we go. And there, guys, so end that. Now, the next time I'm going to do is I'm going to use the if statement. Now, let's say if user input is where one, if user input dot lower equals, so it's going to compare this, so it can be lower or uppercase, and in that case I want the system to just exit out. Then we'll just enter break in there, so that will officially exit out the system. Now I'm going to create another local variable and call it n. That's going to be equals integer. This integer is taken from user input. Let's say n equals 1 and y n less than equals to 12, and I want the system to print out as follows: print number, comma, and let's enter the multiplication sign there, close that, comma, enter n, the value that will be printed, comma that, and I'm going to enter equals and comma, so it's going to be number multiplied by n. Now let's say n plus 1, so that will actually increment n. Else, okay, enter an exception statement in the except. If the value entered is invalid, then I want you to print out the following message: invalid input. Yes. So please enter a number or exit. There we go. So close that. Okay, I'm going to save this first. Let's come in here, file save, and let's just give it a name. Let's save it in here, 5 times table. So let's run it now. Click on. There we go. We have an error in there. Let's see what is the error about. Okay, it's not aligned. Look at it. It's not aligned to that. So I'm just going to select it all. Hold on to Control and press the square bracket to get it indented properly. There we go. So enter a number to multiply. 9, and I'm going to enter invalid character. There we go. And if I want, this is 3, 12 times table, And that is how you create your own multiplication timetable using the command lines in Python. So have a good look at the lines of codes one more time. Then let's come in here, just drag it this much. Yeah. So with that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this brilliant tutorial. Suppose you guys enjoy it and you all have a nice day. Bye for now.